Glad to see you again. This is Lin.
This is Warren.
Okay, some friends may doubting that if Yihui Casting have their own factory. The answer is yes. This building behind of us is our factory. There are 4 floors in total, and each floor has its own function. Let's go inside and see. Okay.
Okay. And
okay,
this is the department, and we can see there are so many CNC equipment, and this equipment is used to make the furance. The furance we need use for our industrial melting furnace, wet injection casting machine, also the vacuum mixer. Okay, and here we can see there is a CNC machine. This machine is for cutting and make special design. We can see this is the product of it. After we make these designs, we need to make a bending. So we introduce a bending machine to our plant. Okay. And as we can see, this is the bending machine. Our colleges use this bending machine to make this part. Okay. And partner, please get close to here. And we can show the detail. We can show the detail to our friends. It is display. And also this machine. Now everybody can handle it. It is a special work. Our colleges made the street operators and to make sure all the frame with finishes also suitable for our machines. So it is the frame. Okay. Okay.
Can you please?
Yeah. Now we can show how this machine works. Yeah, it is just like that. Okay, and okay, then after finish it, we can get close to this place. This is the finished work, just like it. And all the frame produced just like casting, bending, welding, and polishing. Also the plating just finishes. Okay.
Finish the first floor. Let's move on to the second floor. With some parts.
Yeah. Also this machine.
Okay. Let's to the second floor.
Okay.
And here are some chambers for our casting and our melting machines. Okay. Excuse me.
Yes?
I'd like to introduce the documents on the wall. Okay. Here is the ISO 2001 management system, and this is the PDCA system. Okay, let's go to the right. This is the working process and the 6S standard. There is the arrangement for some production. Okay, let's move on.
Okay, and I'm afraid the signal problem of the elevator. So let's go up to the upstairs.
Okay.
Okay. Excuse me, Lin. What's this desk used for?
This small space, like a mini communication room.
Yes.
And here is the uncle. He's a nice man.
Yeah.
He is our security.
Yes.
I like to share with you a small story. Now, when I was new, one day I came here, and when I pressed the elevator button, he stopped me. He stopped me and asked me, "Who are you? Why are you there?"
Wow.
He is. Then I explained to him that I worked in Yihui Casting for several years, and I'm in Yihui Casting. I just came here to look for engineer to talk about something. Then he released me. So I think he is a very nice.
Good employee?
Yeah, very nice and responsible worker.
Okay, within our both will enjoy him very much.
Yeah. I
Okay,
agree.
then we arrive in the second floor.
Yes.
And we can see this is the second floor. Helen,
Yeah.
there is a banner on the wall, and it is in Chinese. It means 提高全民安全意识，养成遵章守纪美德。
It means to raise the awareness for
Yeah.
safety and cultivate the virtue for respect and discipline.
Okay.
It's a kind of Chinese traditional culture. Be safe and be respect.
Okay. And then we arrive in this second floor. This second floor is for the machine parts of warehouse, also assemble the cutting machine, and this is the for our cutting machine assemble AVC, DVC, SVC, platinum cutting machine. Also the gold bar machine assemble before sending. It is in this place, and this is the warehouse place. We can see it. Okay. And now we don't show to our friends about it. Okay.
Can you please introduce here too?
Yes, and we can see there is a car. This car is record how many in total, when and how many have used, and how many left in this car. It is original record with.
Yes.
And now we have new ways is adopting ERP systems. This is the double insured how many piece the part installed is. It's very clear. Okay.
Yes. All the screws, connectors,
Yeah.
tubes,
Yeah.
and hose clamps, even the electronic boards, and also the frames to be assembled here by our conics. And we have working standard for our conics to follow. For example, how many turns for screw on the machine? 3 turns or 5 turns? We have the instructions. And by the way, this area is for assembly only, not for testing. And we have a specific room on the 4th floor for testing. We will introduce later. Okay, let's see how my conic works. Okay.
We can see it. And he is working carefully and patience. Okay, that's some part of our colleges.
Yes, I think it requires the carefulness and the patience to make the work satisfying.
Yes.
However, have you worked in a factory before?
Actually, when I graduated from university,
Yes.
I work in steel producing companies. Our daily job is very strict as well.
Yes.
Operation the machine, we need input the data into the system. Before convert it, we need several persons to try it and then do it. If some mistake have happened in our department, all the production need stops. We need to try out what is the reason, also the solution, so that we can address this problem happen again. In fact, products is a very strict thing.
Yes, I think workers have to face the
Yeah.
machines and the parts all day long.
Yeah.
It's a kind of boring, I think.
Yes.
But the responsibility is heavy. So every work is not easy.
Yeah.
Okay?
Okay. Now we have arrived in the 3rd floor. Okay. And in these areas is for some machine up here. And now first we introduce our melting furnace. Okay. And this one is our mini industrial melting furnace in this one, and it with capacity 1 kilogram and 2 kilogram. And this standing test is our normal industrial melting furnace. with capacity from 1 kilogram and to 2 kilograms. Please pay attention to here. And we say 8 kilogram. In fact, the maximum capacity is more than 10 kilogram for pure gold. Yes, and also we have another melting furnace. This melting furnace is the QT melting furnace. Some foundries company use this melting furnace to make gold bar, silver bars with pouring the melting liquid into the graphite ingot mold, just like it.
Okay, it's a semi-finished product, right?
Yeah. This is the semi ones. We have the finished one in other place, the first floor. And also, if our customers want to use machine to melting platinum stainless steel, we have platinum melting furnace as well. Okay. Yeah.
Regarding the melting time, I'd like to clarify here. For the melting crucible, the lifespan for the crucible is not only depends for the quality, but also most importantly it depends on how often you use it.
Yes.
For example, you do 10 meltings continuously a day and let the crucible cooling. The crucible can be used for maybe 5 days. So totally it's do 50 meltings. And there is another way. You do 2 meltings continuously a day and then have the crucible cooling. The crucible can last for maybe 10 days. So totally it do 20 meltings. Same quality graphite crucible, but not lifespan. It's because of the quality difference, but because of the oxidation, heating to high temperature and then cooling it, it makes oxidation fast. And as you can see, this orange color is our Yihui brand main color. We are also customizing different colors for our customers. The power supply for our machines is Chinese standard 318 watts, 3-phase, 50 Hertz. And we also customize 220 watts, 1-phase and 3-phase 60 Hertz with lower power. So my suggestion is to use the 380 watts with the transformer. Maybe the cost for the transformer is a little bit higher, but the efficiency is much more higher.
Okay. Hi Lin, how long for one crucible melting?
Well, things like that, for the first melting, we need to take about, for example, 10 minutes.
Okay.
Because the crucible is, we need to spare some time to heating the crucible. And for the following meltings, it will be much faster.
Okay.
Maybe 3 to 5 minutes, since the crucible is hot already.
Okay.
Finish here.
Yeah. We think this is a very important question, and so our friends maybe know how to measure the crucible lifetime. And now we move on, and this is the area for electrical melting furnace. Electrical melting furnace and mini cutting machine and investment removal magnetic tumblers, and also and display is for the vacuum mixers. We can see vacuum mixer and other machine is in this place. Also, we introduce our friend Spencer machines. And we have the Spencer machine. And this machine, this is the transformer, and this machine is for voltage, also frequencies, if customer want to customize the city hertz, we need to test the machine by this transformer before shipping it. Also, we are lucky. We have many electrical melting furnace. This is only some part of this. In fact, we have many types. And also this electrical melting furnace, we have 5 colors. This is the black one. We also have the red one, golden one, original one, also the silver ones. And all this machine, we have sell 10,000 sets annually for all the sales department. And this machine is good for our some small factories. It's a very good choice.
Okay, actually 10 minutes ago, here is full of the furnace. They are packing. But just now, they send these packages to the warehouse already. Now I just show you one set furnace. This is only example. This is our standard package. You know, here is protect the furnace wheel. It's for protection. Here is the bubbles. Can you please take it inside? Yeah, okay, I think it's clear. A complete set including the furnace and the crucible and the tongue. Here, like this. If customers want to more crucibles, maybe some stirring rolls, and maybe high temperature glove, we can also do it. We just match with us extra box to pack this extra spare parts. And this standard package is 38.5 by 38.5 by 44 centimeters. The gross weight is 12 kilogram, and it's easy to carry. And we put 27 sets. 27 sets on the pallets, 3 by 3, and 3 layers. The packing size is 117 by height 148, and the gross weight is 336 kilogram. Okay.
Okay, and done. That is all for the electrical melting furnace, and here is the production department office, and we think we have clear for our 3rd floor. And okay, let's move on. And okay. Lady first.
Okay, thank you. You are a gentleman. And here is our assembly and testing part for Yihui brand melting furnace and some other machines.
Yes.
Now we are moving to the 4th floor. Okay.
Okay.
4th floor actually is the most important part.
Okay.
And, it's the last part for our show today. Okay. Be careful.
Be careful. Okay. Okay. And now we get close here.
Yes. I think I'm not sure if many audience watching our live show.
Yeah.
But there will be a video to show to all of our friends.
Yeah. We can send the video to all our friends. Okay. Arrive the 4th floor.
Okay. Come back. The most important on the 4th floor is in the back of this door. We will be back later. Okay. Let's move on.
Okay.
Let's move on. Okay. Here, the 4th floor is mainly like warehouse for our finished products. Okay. Firstly, this machine. This is our high temperature rotary burnout oven. Okay. This capacity is for 40 pieces flasks. And the biggest advantage is to heating the flask evenly. You see, there are 3 size heating coil, and when it's working, this plate will rotary, so to heating the flask. And this cotton is environmental friendly. Okay.
Okay. This is
finish here. Let's see here. This is the continuous casting machines. We have different capacities, 3 kilo, 5 kilo, and 8 kilo. Follow me, please. 过来一下. They are different designs because they are different generations. And this machine is mainly used for the copper, brass, silver, and gold wire, sheet, and tubes. You will find the working video for our continual casting machines on Yihui Casting YouTube page. And if a customer needs our Yihui brand continuous casting machine, it just need 1 week before shipping, because this 1 week is for testing and packing. Actually, there are customers in Brazil, India, Peru, Thailand, Indonesia, and some other countries are using our machine with very good feedback. Okay?
Okay.
Sure.
Now, we can see this is our casting machine. We have saw it in our second floor, but that is the semi one. This is the finished one. All is the finished one. This is the casting machine. And here, this is the standing tap melting furnace. This is the platinum melting furnace. And this is the mini industrial melting furnace.
Excuse me,
Yeah?
some machines already wrapped
Yeah.
in a film, but some machines not. It means
It means this have finished testing. We can send it.
ready to ship.
Yeah, ready to ship. Okay, and also this is the vulcanizer. This is the vulcanizer machine. It is that, and then we can show another machine. And this is the vacuum mixer. It is here. Also, display is the mini cutting machines.
Mini casting machine.
Yeah, yes. And our friends maybe have no idea about our other two projects. It's the water chiller and the waste injector. And here is the water chillers. And this water chiller we have widely used, not only in jewelry, but also other industries. And we have several models from European 5 HP to 10 HPs. We can see it. And this chiller, now we match with our melting furnace and cutting machines also. And this cooling media, we mean cooling media is environmental friendly, so it's easy for export. Okay, let us go to the waste injector workshop. Okay. And we can see, and this is our waste injection workshops, and we can so our blend to our blends. Our blend is mass waste, and for this machine we have two series, SW5 and NW5 and Plus. In our last live show, we have sold two models to our friends. You also can find the YouTube link in our packages. Okay, this is for all these machines. Okay, and also for this waste injector, we have some sample for our some markets. We miss some markets such as India, Brazil, Argentina, Indonesia, and Germany, also Malaysia, and so on. You can purchase from our distributor if you convenience. We also offer 1 year warranty to use tools, and we can see our college is working hard. Okay, and we can introduce the other parts to our friends. Okay.
Okay.
Lin will introduce it to you.
Okay, let's move to the testing room. Look at the left hand, my left hand.
Okay.
This is the R&D test center. Okay, let's move on. And the second room is our R&D department. Okay, show inside. Okay, and this room is the reception room and also the meeting room. Okay. Lastly, this is our PMC department. Okay. Okay.
Yeah, hi Lin, there is some package.
Yeah, this is the continuous custom machine 3 kilo. I think it's finished testing already.
Yeah, yeah.
No. Okay. This is a big machine. Big machine. Excuse me. This is the 20 kilogram vacuum granulating machine matched with our water chiller. I think it's just finished the testing. You see here is the water tank. It's a very high-tech and also expensive machine. I think the performance can compare with the Italian machine. Okay. Let's go inside. Okay. Here is a vacuum mixer. Vacuum mixer, the investment powder cleaning machine, turn out oven. Follow me. And also, this is a transformer and the water tank. Water tank. Okay, sandblasting. All the machines are necessary to finish casting process. And usually, all of our casting machines will be tested before sent to our warehouse. Today, here is our DVC. It's digital vacuum casting machine, and it's connected with a vacuum pump and also our own water chiller. It will do the testing today, I think. Okay.
Okay.
Can you please?
Okay. I'd like take this opportunity to introduce this machine to our friends, and we can see this is the full auto cutting machine. It can finish all the cutting in one case. It's one button cutting machines, and the maximum flask size is 5" by 10". And also this machine, we can use a smaller flask with loading corresponding this corresponding and
Flange.
yeah, flange, corresponding flange. Okay. And and this machine suitable for gold, silver, copper, brass. If we want to cut in platinum or stainless steels, we have another cutting machine. This is another cutting machine. We say centrifugal cutting machine. Okay, and now we still introduce this machine. And this machine capacity is 2.5 kilogram for the gold. We also have another smaller machine, 1 kilogram gold, and a bigger capacity ones, 8 kilogram gold. Now we saw our friends how to operate this machine. Hi partner, please get across here. Okay. And we can show this starts, how this starts. Yeah.
It means when casting,
Yeah.
the metal liquids will go down.
Yeah.
The stopper will lift.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. So like it. Also, we have saw our friends for another process. Okay. When we press, you can see. Also, when finished, we need to make this chamber down. How this chamber down, we can show to our friends. Yes, it's very easy to control. Okay.
Automatic.
Yeah, for automatic. Yes, it's always finishes.
Okay. So customers can choose the suitable machine. Depends on your actual need, 1 kilo, 2.5 or 8 kilo. And we offer 1 year warranty for all of Yihui brand machines. Whenever you have a problem to operate the machine, just feel free to contact with us. we can do the video call to teach you step by step. And we can also send our engineer to your factory. I mean, our engineer always go abroad to do technical support.
Yes.
Mr. O is responsible for the casting, but today he is not here. He is Mr. O's colleague.
Okay. Hello.
Hi.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Now, until now, we think most of our fans know our machine factories. And we also have another factory for other products. In the future, we will introduce our plans about these factories.
Okay, to conclude, Yihui Casting have our own R&D department to develop some cans, new cans machines, and also do machine optimization. And we have our assembly department and testing department. All things we do is to ensure the product to our machines quality and to satisfying customers' requests. We hope after today our live show, customers will know better for Yihui Casting.
Okay. And welcome to our Yihui Casting machine factories. If you have any idea, just feel free to contact us. Okay, and 10 flies, it's time to say goodbye. Thank you for your attention and see you next time. Bye bye.